Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, I'm currently in a field being swamped by midges, but that is because I'm trying something different. I'm on the lookout for barn owls. Now you might be wondering, Tom, is that rain I can hear? Barn owls won't be out in rain. And yes, you are correct, it is raining. There's not really much more to say. It is raining. Today is purely a sort of a scouting out day, making sure that the area is suitable, I guess. Maybe not suitable. Seeing what the area is like, seeing what's around, seeing where I can position myself, and seeing what else is around. And that's basically it. So, I hope you guys will join me on the lookout for barn owls. Let's get started. So I'm all set up. It's definitely going to be a challenge because there's little to no wind, the grass is very high, and there's nowhere to really hide and get a good vantage point. So we'll see how it goes, but I think the plan for today is to just see one so I have proof flying in this area. Oh my goodness. All I did, I wasn't having the best of luck in that field, and I looked behind me and I saw a barn owl. I couldn't move the tripod in time, so I took it off and I had to hand record it, and I didn't have the image stabilization. Well, it doesn't work, and so it might be a bit shaky, but absolutely beautiful. There were two of them. One went way over there, and another one's gone past the trees. So you get that exhilarating feeling when you think, "Oh my God, I've just recorded something awesome." Despite the typical British weather being quite temperamental, I really enjoyed being out that evening. From seeing a buzzard land in a tree not far away from me, and then seeing a barn owl later in the evening, it was just incredibly comforting. And it fueled my interest even more, so I decided to go back the next day in hopes of recording them again. Good news, it's definitely not quiet today. There's certainly a lot of pigeons, but I've just seen a sparrowhawk fly around as well. So who knows, if I don't end up with some barn owls, hopefully I'll end up with a sparrowhawk. Either way, I'm hoping that we'll at least be able to capture something. Okay, well, they're back again. I can't even explain how beautiful these birds are. the biggest challenges that I came across when recording these barn owls is the exposure. Now, barn owls, if you may or may not know, are basically all white. They are dead silent, so you can't even hear them fly over your head, even if they did. They are all white, and using a camera that has auto exposure and tracking and things like that, every time that I tried to take a picture or film it, the background will just overexpose completely. It will just blow everything out of proportion, and the barn owl itself would be okay, but then the camera would try and match it with the background and it would just be a white image. It was definitely a challenge, but it was so much fun trying something different. If I could make a living out of this, I'd be saying, wow, I love my job. But for now, I'm just going to have to say, wow, I love my chosen career path. Doesn't have the same ring to it. Just wow. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. This last week has been absolutely amazing. Barn owls are just the most magnificent creatures, and I managed to get some really nice photos that I'm very proud of. I say it all the time, but I really mean it. I really need to start just pushing myself and getting out there and doing this more often. It's what I enjoy, and the feeling it gives me when I finally accomplish something is just unbeatable. However, now I know where these barn owls are, I can keep a close eye on them, and hopefully in the future I can improve my photography and videography skills, especially since they're on basically my front doorstep. I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Goodbye.